Got the old cable out. I'm gonna grease up the new one and slide it down the tunnel. Hopefully it's easy. Started putting the clutch cable in, and when I was pulling the other one out, it kept catching on something. So when I put the new one in, I slid it through, and then it kept catching on something. Actually, here's the actual tube. It's busted. And it looks like someone actually cut it. I have no idea why. So I'm gonna take the Bowden tube off the back, and then I'm gonna pull this out. And I need some help, because this tube goes literally inside all the way through up to there. So there's not really a way to get in there unless you cut holes in it. And I looked to see if I can purchase this tube if I were to actually replace the whole entire thing. I can't see anybody that makes it like specifically bent for that, so I don't know. Might have to try to weld that. I don't know. But then if I weld it and slag or anything goes through, then the cable's gonna rub on it. There's not really any way in there. So if you guys have any suggestions, that would be awesome. I'm gonna pull that out, and then I'll get a video of the end of this here. Okay, I got the tube out, cleaned up the end a little here. I have no idea what happened. It looks like someone tried to cut it, flare it. I took a wire wheel, cleaned off all the gunk. Not sure what to do. This side's all kind of janky in there. So I don't know if I can... You can see the cable now going through. I pull it back through. There. So I can get the cable out of the way, and then I don't know if I can stick this in. Try to, not sure. It's tricky. Anybody have any suggestions? Should I try to weld it? Obviously, I'm not gonna be able to weld all the way around it. I could probably weld it in a couple spots. Then I'm worried if any weld goes through, then the cable won't want to go through. I try to just tack the edges and hope it stays. Not sure.